其實 SMB 好多有用嘅片嘅，但係好多時佢哋講嗰啲盤咧，我諗大家可能未必會就咁聽唔明，因為佢冇 exactly show 個盤出嚟點樣講一啲 breakout，就咁好多時一啲好勁嘅人就咁講，佢 look for 緊啲乜嘢嘅 variable。咁佢嚟緊佢會講三個因素講 breakout 咯。第一樣嘢就係圖表突破一個 range，第二樣嘢就係突破嘅時候個 volume 嚟緊嘅，第三樣嘢就係講盤點樣去 confirm 呢件事，去盤 look for 緊啲乜嘢。咁佢都講得幾 detail 俾大家聽啦。
I want to look for in terms of confirmation. I want to see price confirming, so that may look like for a breakout, simply price breaking out of the range.
第一樣嘢好簡單，就係個股票圖表嘅價格直接係突破嗰個 range 嘅啫，就好明確，好簡單。
I want to see volume confirmation. So, and I will get to your point, but typically, yeah, I do want to see the volume really start to come in as soon as we're breaking out. And I also
突破嘅時候，volume 係咁爆量。
want to see confirmation on the tape.
第三樣嘢就係講盤咯。
That could come in several ways. One, for example, could be a large offer.
大 ask 喺個阻力位嘅時候，而家第一樣嘢可能有個大 ask 啦。
Holding that upper bound resistance level, and once we break out, you can see that offer decrement. You can see
當呢個大 ask break out 嘅時候，你會見到呢個大 ask 例如可能10萬股慢慢變5萬股、4萬股、3萬股、2萬股、5000股。
fresh buying coming in once we break out, and you can see a supportive tape with large bids start to step up.
呢樣嘢突破之後咧，你亦都可能會見到一啲 large bid，即係譬如突破呢個大 ask，嗰啲 large bid 可能會即刻 step up。例如假設本身10蚊有個大 ask，你10萬股，跟住突破之後個 bid 係10蚊啦，變咗即刻會變咗可能係2萬股，跟住變咗10.01 2萬股，10.03 2萬股。呢個2萬股係 random，我唔一定係2萬股，總之係 large bid 同埋 large out offer 俾人哋突破咗。
You can see a lot of the transactions going through at the offer showing
呢個 a lot of transaction going through the offer 係講緊成堆 pin 係綠色 green pin 嚟嘅啫，即係你正常突破之後嗰個 moment 係應該成紮都係一嚟啦，可能 short sell 而止蝕，所以你會止蝕會就係一個 ask 價啦，或者係 buyer 要去買呢個突破，所以大部分呢個 moment supposedly 係全部都係 green pin。
buyers initiating the transaction, and that's confirmation on the tape that I'll look for. All in all, I want to see all three of those. That's ideal. I want to see confirmation in volume, price action, and the tape. Now, you don't
你要見到3個都有齊，你先係真正嘅 A+ 嘅 trade。
always get that, and that's going to reflect on the sizing of the trade.
Okay.
But ideally, I want to see all three. So now
係啦，如果你見唔到3樣嘢嘅，可能就係得2樣嘢就玩細啲；如果見實3樣嘢嘅，就玩大啲。
to answer your question about the volume, absolutely, right? So for me, if a stock is breaking out, I want to see the volume start to come in right away. And I also want to see that volume sustain as we hold that breakout. So
除咗突破嘅時候個 volume 突然之間爆量啦，好多時突破之後，如果你有 follow through 的話，假設10蚊你要去到10.50嘅話咧，好多時其實係嗰個 volume 係要維持得比較高咯。即係如果假設之前10蚊突破之前，你嘅每1分鐘嘅成交量當係10萬股啦，突破嗰支巴如果係變咗50萬股，你最好之後每一支巴大約可能係20萬到30萬股，而唔係之前10萬股或者5萬股或者更加低。
it's not just about that 2-minute bar breaking out. It's not just about that spike in volume. I want to see that, but I also want to see volume really sustain after we break out, showing that traders, that market participants are still interested in the stock.
So in that same example you just said, volumes
就係咁啦。